video is for Brienne. I want to demonstrate how to write an attribute controlled KMS key policy. And I want to show what attribute controlled KMS key policy can do. So I created two keys. I created a user called abac tester, and I assigned an ec2, an s3, and KMS key policy, which are all attribute controlled, and I tagged the user with team red. I created two keys. One is red key, one is white key. And I created two ec2, red and white. And also I created two s3 buckets, red and white. Now I'm going to show like when the user is tagged with team tag red, what can I do? And so first I'm logged on as abac tester here. So theoretically, because the red key is tagged with red, which I will show, the team tag is red, which matches my current setting for abac tester. So in ec2, I should be able to restart, start or stop the red ec2 instance. So now it's running. I'm going to shut it down, stop instance. And it's successful. So now I'm going to restart it. Now, if I have create grant access, I should be able to restart it. So I'm going to start instance. Okay, now it's stopped, so I should be able to restart it. Let me try to restart the red instance. It says pending. Now the red instance is running. Now if I try to restart an ec2 with tag white, it will give me the error message and I cannot restart it. This ec2 instance is encrypted using the white key. So here is the encryption key 4027, and if you look at the key here, is the white key, ends with 4027. So even if I change the tag to red, theoretically, if the tag matches my abac tester, then I should be able to restart the instance. But because it's using a wrong encryption key, when I try to start an instance, now it's going to say successfully initiated, but it will stop because it's telling me that I don't have access to that key because the KMS key is tagged with white. Okay, so I'm going to change this back to white. Okay, now the third test is the S3 bucket. I have a red bucket and a white bucket, and of course the red bucket is encrypted with the red key. So I'm going to try to download the content in the red bucket, and I'm able to do it. So I'm going to delete it because I don't really need it. Now, if I go back and I try to download something in my white bucket, which is the same file, but it's encrypted with the white key, and I get an access denied. So now if I go back, and this is my abac tester, which is the one that I'm using to test. Now if I just change the key to white, save the change, Now I have flipped this user's access to white only. So if I look at my ec2, now I should be able to restart. Now let me refresh. I have changed the tag back to white, so now I should be able to restart ec2. So now it shows pending. And the restart is successful because both the team tag on the ec2 and the tag on the KMS key worked. They're matching my test user. So now, if I want to download something from the white bucket, now I'm able to do it. It's downloaded. I'm going to delete it. But if I want to go back and download something from red bucket, because I flipped the tag here to white, now I am no longer able to download from red bucket. I get an access denied. So that shows, that's a demonstration on how attribute control works. And yes, you can share one KMS key among teams. You don't have to create one key per resource. You can create one key per team. All right, thanks for watching.